Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is acrylic. 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 Acrylic is a term used to describe a type of synthetic polymer or plastic material made from acrylic acid. It is widely used in various applications, including painting, textiles, and manufacturing, due to its versatility, durability, and ability to take on different forms. Here are some examples. Example number 1. Acrylic paint is a popular choice for artists because of its vibrant colors and fast-drying properties. Why acrylic is used in example number 1. In this example, acrylic is used to describe the type of paint commonly used by artists. Example number 2. Many sweaters and blankets are made from acrylic fibers, which provide warmth and softness. Why acrylic is used in example number 2. Acrylic is used to specify the material from which certain clothing items are manufactured. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.